Since I cannot see you, if you close your eyes before I am finished, just feel the lids of your closed eyes getting heavier. Now find a spot of fascination on the wall or ceiling and just stare at it. Keep your eyes focused on that one spot. Don't look anywhere else. In a moment, you'll notice it's getting harder and harder to keep your eyes open. As you continue to focus, notice how the eyelids become heavier and heavier. You may try to fight it, but it's getting harder and harder. Your eyelids are feeling heavier and heavier. Notice how it's getting harder and harder to keep your eyes open. And the more you try to fight closing your eyes, the more you notice the feelings of peace and comfort. This flowing sense of relaxation and calm that washes over you as it's harder and harder to keep them open. Soon your eyelids will close, and when they do, you will begin to enter the hypnotic state. You may notice your eyelids feeling heavier and heavier. And on your next deep exhale, let your eyelids close and relax. Deep sleep. And each time deep sleep is suggested by me for the purpose of our hypnosis session together, you enter a deep relaxation and calmness quickly to this depth or even deeper. Your eyes are closed and you feel your eyelids tightening. Now that your eyelids are tightening, you are finding that they are stuck tightly closed and you cannot open them. You may try to open them, but the more you try, the tighter they become. In fact, you cannot open them. Tighter and tighter. And the tighter they become, the more you allow yourself to go deeper into the state of hypnosis. Deep sleep. And now we're going to go even deeper. I'm now going to count backwards from 5 to 0. And as I do, you'll prepare yourself to enter even deeper into the state of hypnosis for the purpose of deep relaxation. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Deep sleep. Different eating patterns, or had some events in life that seem to steer you in the direction of putting on this excess weight. Or perhaps you have some unconscious reason that has not been discovered yet that pushes you in the direction of those poor choices. Or maybe this has just been the way it's been for you your entire life. Only you can know what keeps you from losing weight. Or perhaps it's even outside of your conscious awareness. It really doesn't matter. The important thing is you're listening to me because you want to make a change. Maybe you want to feel more attractive. The thing that you concentrate on is taking care of yourself. And the wonderful thing is that it's so easy for you because this is the way that you were meant to be. The weight will melt away on its own as quickly as your body is ready to let it go. It may take a bit of time before you can really see the results, but it will take much longer if you never start. And it will also take longer if you focus on your weight. You see, you get what you focus on. So if you focus on your heavy weight, you'll get more weight. So you can just lose your focus on that point and you'll lose the weight. The thing to focus on is taking care of yourself. That's what we're going to focus on. The art of self-care. The weight will follow. And even though you've felt uncomfortable with your health for a while now, maybe you've been watching how the pounds have been steadily creeping up, knowing that sooner or later you'd have to do something about it. But putting off the inevitable until now. Well, now you have decided that it's time to make a change. To see that slimmer, healthier you. Now you are going to find that weight loss is easy. And you're going to lose that excess fluid and any weight you may be carrying. Not immediately. Not in a week or two. But over the next few months. How will it feel to be able to move easily and freely without the burden of carrying around all those excess lumps of fat? And I'm sure you know what I mean. Feeling the unhealthy fat or flab around the buttocks, abdomen, and thighs. Feeling sluggish and hardly able to move in that comfortable and easy way that your body knows. And what do you need for your self-care? How can you be the best version of you? We're going to start by visualizing or imagining a beautiful staircase, maybe one that's familiar to you, or it may be a staircase that you've dreamed up in a place that's relaxing to you. Notice how the staircase has a steady handrail, leading down 22 steps to the bottom. Visualize or imagine you see yourself at the top of the stairs. And you see yourself as fit, vibrant, radiant, a healthy version of you. Now look down at your feet and place this new image of you at the top of these stairs. And you can see yourself as already having reached your goal of your desired weight. And as we prepare to descend these stairs, holding on to the handrail for support, let's begin. Starting with your left foot. 22. With each step down, reinforcing this new image of you, a more healthier you. 21. 20. Feel your confidence to look this good grow as you continue down the stairs. 19. 18. Notice your self-esteem continue to grow with each and every step down the stairs. 17. 16. Stepping lightly and happy and carefree. These are the steps of feeling self-confident. 15. 14. What are you wearing? How does it fit? 13. 12. You are feeling in control of the decisions you make in your life. 11. 10. You are at your ideal weight. 9. 8. You are happy, relaxed, and feeling a deep sense of calm. 7. 6. Having a wonderful sense of well-being and accomplishment. 5. Having a wonderful feeling of self-esteem. 4. 3. You are a capable person that can overcome your challenges. 2. 1. Knowing positive results that are coming your way. And at 0, take a moment to reflect on the positive self-image and accomplishment that you've achieved. You made this choice. You did it. Success. Keep this new version of yourself at the forefront of your mind. Reflect often on this image so that your brain will accept this new version. And you can always come back and listen to this as many times as you'd like. And do whatever necessary to make this new you a reality.